Hello guys! Today, let me show you how to make iced cold brew coffee. So, ito yung ginawa natin before na in-steep natin overnight, like 20 hours. Pinituloy na lang natin. So, ayan na siya. So, yung cold brew natin, hindi siya ganun ka-acidic compared sa mga espresso base. So, dito sa iced coffee natin, kuha ka lang ng ice. Bakit kailangan ng maraming ice? Kasi concentrated yung cold brew mo, kailangan mo siyang i-dilute or else mapait yan. And then, this is the milk syrup. I prefer milk syrup sa cold brew para hindi ma-overpower yung coffee. Ayan. At parang parang ang dating nito, Spanish latte. Okay, and then yung evaporated milk, nakaturong siya para maging creamier yung ating iced coffee. And dagdagan na natin ng cold brew to make it exact 120 ml. And there you go, napakadali lang. So, kung gusto mong magbenta ng coffee, ng iced coffee at wala kang machine, okay lang. Hindi mo kailangan ng machine dito. Kailangan mo lang aralin kung anong ratio yung gagamitin mo at yung pagtimpla ng iced coffee mo. Pero napakadali lang. At pwede itong mag-last sa fridge ng 7 days. Around 7 days. Tingnan na natin. Oh, it really tastes good. Coffee's life. Try mo din.